come for your dream, come for your work. They make you mean, they make you work. They take your work, they take your worth, your self-esteem. They make you hurt, they make you hurt. They make it seem like it ain't worth it, but it's always worth it.
Hey YouTube world, this is your girl Yana of Yana's Eyes. I'm coming to you with a video on sort of, I guess, a review. I have been on Influencer now for a little while. I'm not sure how long, but I reviewed a bunch of things that I had and the things that I've been purchasing. And I've been getting boxes. So this is my second Influencer box. So this time I received a box from Pop Beauty Official. Okay, the box, look like this. I like these boxes, but they're expensive. It says there is a makeup magnet mist. This finishing mist works like a magnet to lock in makeup for a no budget effect. It also deeply hydrates, protects, and re-energizes. So I'm going to be trying that. And a prismatic pop. Oh, wrong one. Which is a highlight and glow, enhancing your favorite features and make your skin pop with a prismatic perfection. Me and pastel pink have not really gotten along in the past, but I'm gonna give it a try. Like me and white don't even get along. Last but not least is a light show eye palette. Create instant dazzling effects with these multi-textured shades. Share and show us how the Makeup Magnet Mist gives you a lasting wear by using Prismatic Pop and Light Show Eye Palette to create your Make It Pop looks. So I'm going to do a look with this palette, completely freestyle, and of course I'm going to use the highlighter as well, and then I'm going to seal the deal with their Makeup Magnet Mist spray. If you're interested in seeing me create a look using Pop Beauty products, keep watching. Thank you for sitting through that beat. Makeup Magnet Mist. Feels really, really good. It has a peppermint smell to it. Nice mist of a spray. Buildable palette. So, you know, the more you use, the better it looks. And then the highlighter I surprisingly like. I was a little bit leery and jumped into my Pulse highlighter out of habit at this point because I love it. And I went back in to touch up with this highlighter and I love it. It's like a pink, but the white didn't come out too much. Now that might be because there's a little bit of gold underneath there. So I'm gonna give this another shot. But right now I see the pink highlight, then I see the sultry blush bring out the pink in the highlighter. So this is Ultra Violet Light by Pop Beauty. Makeup Magnet Mist by Pop Beauty. And this palette is called Lisha. And this lipstick is Elson by Pat McGrath. And it is working, baby. Do you hear me? Working. I love it. Favorite lashes. Heavenly by Beautiful Mix. Okay, make sure that you hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. What you waiting for? This is your girl, Yana of Yana's Eyes saying see ya when I see ya. Peace.